Hello, every me, every you, and everyone. Welcome to the Life of Me, Sunday edition. So, nag-church ako, no? And ito yung Cathedral Church. Pangarap ko talagang makasal dito. Hi! Hindi mga kasal-kasal. Nagsimba nga ako dahil Sunday nga today. So, ayun. Matagal na din pala ako hindi nakasimba dito. At ang ganda na ng altar and ng whole church. Mabuti na lang at kasama ko yung friend ko dito. I mean, nakita ko siya. So, ayun. Meron na akong naupuan at magkatabi kami. Siya nga pala si Aaron. Yes, kaklase ko siya nung high school. My high school friendie. This is me after church. I scramble. For only 35 pesos. Burger King Burgers. Popper Jr. For only 79. At nagkita nga kami ni Gab, so I was earlier than expected sa aking time in. So ayun, nag-coffee lang and then nag-quick catch up. So marami talagang chismis dito na naganap and sobrang hot issues yung mga pinag-usapan. Hala si OA sa hot issues. So thank you, Lord, for the gift of life. Thank you for all the blessings. Thank you for this day that I was able to have a time with you and also a time for my friend. And yeah, just quick catch up and also bond. So thank you, Lord, for the coffee. Thank you for everything. So yun na guys. Bye!